Hello, my name is Devondra Cohen, and I'll be teaching you how to perform CPR. CPR is a life-saving technique and is a critical skill that can mean the difference between a life and death situation. The first step in performing CPR is to assess the situation and the victim. You must make sure that the victim is lying flat on their back on a firm surface. If the victim is unresponsive, check for breathing and pulse, and if there's no pulse or breathing, call medical assistance or emergency services immediately. The next step is to begin chest compressions. Place the heel of your hand on the center of the victim's chest between the chest area, in the middle of the chest area. With your other hand, interlock your hands and place them on top of your head. Lean over on the victim and keep your arms straight and press down on the chest with enough force to compress it for about 10 inches. Repeat this at the rate of 100 and 120 compressions per minute, which each compression lasts about 1 second. After 30 compressions, give two breaths of rescue breathing. Tilt the head back slightly and lift the chin and create an opening airway. Pinch the victim's nostrils and blow air into your mouth until you see the chest rise. This is called mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Give 2 breaths and return back to chest compressions. Continue to alternate between chest compressions and rescue breaths until medical help arrives or the victim begins breathing on their own. It is important to remember that CPR is a physical demanding process, and it may be necessary to switch with another partner or to take breaths to avoid fatigue. One critical aspect of performing CPR effectively is maintaining the proper technique. Chest compressions must be done with enough force to compress the chest by 2 inches, but not so hard that you cause injury to the victim. Additionally, it is crucial to maintain the proper rate of compressions, as too slow or too fast can be ineffective. The same is true for rescue breaths, which means you must be given with enough force to inflate the victim's lungs, but not so much that you force air into their stomach. Performing CPR is a critical life-saving skill that requires proper technique and a calm and focused mindset. By following the steps and practicing regularly, you must increase your effectiveness in performing CPR and potentially save a life.